For beautiful windows, second to none, call Renewal by Andersen. We put the wow in windows.
And patio doors, too.
The morning of your installation, our installers will load up all of your windows and patio doors. We make it our priority to arrive on time so we can complete your installation in one day. Once we arrive at your home, our installers will meet with you to discuss what we are going to do. Our installers will treat your home like it's their own by putting on protective shoe coverings and putting down drop cloths to protect your carpet and furniture. Prior to the old windows being removed, we will bring your new windows to the old opening so that we can remove the old windows and get a new one in place quickly. Now that your home is protected, our installers will remove the old windows, only removing one and installing the new window before removing another window, so your home isn't exposed to the elements for very long. We realize a lot of customers have pets, so we will make sure they are taken care of and don't escape from the house through the openings. Once the new window is in place, we will plumb, square, and shim before putting the screws in. Each side of the window will receive multiple screws, so it is secure. The window is then caulked and sealed. On the exterior, we apply expandable foam that not only binds, but insulates the window. If there is an interior cap, that will be applied, and then your trim. After the windows or patio doors have been installed, we make sure to clean up both the interior of your home and the exterior, making sure we don't damage any landscaping. Our installers will give you a demonstration of how to operate your new windows and answer any questions you might have. Every Renewal by Andersen window has an NFRC sticker that will tell you the U factor, solar heat gain coefficient, and visible light transmittance for the window. After your installation, you will receive a survey in the mail. Our installers strive for 5 stars on every category.